Kainin mo. Pag hindi mo kinain yan, I've done that before with other persons. I will do it again. Maraming beses na ako sa mayor ako noon ay pinapakain ko yung mga doctorate. Susubo ko talaga bunganga nila. Tapos pinapatong ko yung snap-notes ko sa kainga nila. Kainin mo o patabugin ko yung mukha ko. And punta na lang ako dito. Ang sadya ko rin talaga ay time it to visit them and to visit here because of the fiesta, but most more importantly rather is yung Yolanda na pinuntahan ko nung tragedy that happened many years ago. Tinignan ko lang yung kung ano ang buhay nila. Kinumusta ko lang. Wala akong pumunta lang ako ng simbahan just to thank God for the journey here. Kandila ako, just like any Roman Catholic.
Ano ba ang nakita mong sitwasyon nila, sir? Yung sitwasyon nila, sir, ng Yolanda survivors?
Well, I'm happy that they have at least there's a regrowth of the place, and although I wasn't able to talk to them intimately because kulang yung panahon, but to see the smiling faces. But you know, if there is one tragic event in my life, marami yan eh. Matayan ka, may isa akong event na nagkaroon ako ng trauma. Yung Yolanda. I will not it was a very traumatic experience because ewan ko kung nandoon kayo, but I was there right after. I could nakita ko yung mga tao na I had to navigate my way towards the regional office of the police to talk to them. I was only mayor lang ako noon. Pero sinabi ko na sa kanila na yung tulong ko maswerte yun because at that time
Having said this, ano po yung nakikita natin epekto sa taong bago sa mga Pilipino ng pulo ng
West Philippine Sea. Well, hindi naman siguro. I don't think that it would go out of control. We have not reached that level of animosity, of severity in the hostility with China that would warrant trouble for the country. and for China also. It's, I might just say siguro, still within the diplomatic ambit. Madala pa sa policy yan.
So, SBTV, lang po sa SBTV. Mr. President, may comment regarding sa acquittal ni po Mayor Senator Laila.
Oh, well, alam mo, abogado ako. Baka sinabi ng korte yan, yan. And we only say that it is correct. So, that is how I say it. It is a verdict rendered by the court. And we have to respect it. And be happy with it. That democracy should be well.
Salamat for lalong-lalo na yung regarding na tulong ito
You know, guys, alam mo yung ICC, matagal na yan. Mayor pa ako. No, I don't give a shit whether they come in. Para sa akin, wala silang jurisdiction. We are not part of the ICC. Mulis na tayo. They would insist that there is a case there that would warrant for my arrest. Then, hintayin ko kung magkatid. And I would like to see, ayaw ko yung Pilipino na police o FBI magpunta sa harap ko. Gusto ko yung ICC mismo magdala-dala siya ng papel niya, warrant. Kung sino man yung deportan na yun. Kasi pag bigay niya sa akin, ipapakain ko talaga sa kanya. Ipapakain ko sa kanya, mamili ka, kainin mo. O barilin kita dito ngayon. Deliver kita sa internet. So, putang ina mo. Kainin mo. Pag hindi mo kinain yan, I've done that before with other persons. I will do it again. Maraming beses na ako sa mayor ako noon na pinapakain ko yung mga doctorate. Nasubo ko talaga bunganga nila. Tapos, pinapatong ko yung snub nose ko sa tainga nila. Kainin mo o patabugin ko yung mukha ko. Mamili ka.